Hey guys, I'm out here schooling these kids. Hey, I'm out here schooling them, you understand?